Welcome to Watt. Watt is an intuitive, original, and modern app developed with the harrowing issue of energy consumption in mind. Developed for the Congressional App Challenge of 2015, Watt confronts one of the many environmental problems that has been at the forefront of public consciousness for decades. Watt is an app that allows you, the user, to demonstrate your desire to not only conserve energy, but also be the best in your community. When considering the ongoing issue that is the overuse of energy, it was clear to our team that the best way to combat this issue was to allow every user, from young to old, the opportunity to utilize a clear and simple user interface in order to monitor their own energy consumption and see how they size up in comparison to other members of their community. Watt is an app with the solutions for the problems of today.
Acknowledging the user interface, it was critical to the Watt development team that they be provided a clean interface that would allow them to feel right at home. Developed to maintain an ease of understanding, Watt efficiently used the tools provided by Xcode in order to create an aesthetically pleasing interface. With every facet accessible in a few touches, Watt is an experience that is bound to make the users feel comfortable with the interface from first launch. Watt was built through Xcode with efficiency in mind. The coding of Watt provided an incredible learning experience for the Watt development team. The registration of users provided a challenging but manageable starting point. Implementing the map-kit files and pins resulted in the most difficult challenge. Geocoding the address into coordinates in order to place a pin turned out to be one of the most difficult aspects of the application to complete. However, the overall experience was incredibly rewarding for the entire development team.
As a project, Watt was a practical experience for everyone involved. Through Watt, our team discovered critical teamwork skills, developing those skills alongside crucial computer science skills that can be applied in all stages of life. An app with the potential to bring communities together and aid the environment overall, Watt has an eye on the future and a hope for the now. The present version of Watt is highly upgradable. The Watt model can be adapted to function for commercial models, allowing businesses, schools, and other commercial locations the same opportunity to compete as families receive. Watt also has the capacity to further integrate the Green Button initiative in the future, which will allow us to receive power usage updates every 15 minutes. This further improves the user experience.
Watt has been developed for both iOS and Android platforms and is to be expected on the marketplace in late February.
Thank you for considering Watt.